The expense tracking feature in Harvest can help you keep track of both billable and non-billable expenses. The expense module is enabled by default, but it's optional. If you don't see expenses at the top of your Harvest account, any administrator can enable it in your account settings. Every expense is tracked to a project and an expense category. Administrators can add or edit expense categories at any time. They can also set specific unit prices for an expense category, for example, a rate per mile or day or item. To enter a new expense from the web, head to the Expenses section of your account and click the Track Expenses button. Choose the date, the project, and the expense category you want to track the expense to. If your selected expense category has a unit price, enter the number of units and we'll do the math for you. Otherwise, enter the amount of the expense. If you have a receipt to attach, you can either drag and drop the file right in the box or search your files. If you need to take a picture of your receipt, you can also use Harvest's mobile app for iPhone or Android, which allows you to take a picture and add the expense right from your phone. You can add either billable or non-billable expenses regardless of the project type. Just make sure that this expenses billable box is checked if you plan to bill the expense to your client, and unchecked if it's an internal cost that shouldn't be invoiced. If an expense and project are both billable, you'll be able to pull the expense into an invoice with your time entries. On your project's analysis page, you'll see the expense included in your project's internal costs. And if your project bills by total project fees and has the budget includes billable and non-billable project expenses box checked, you'll also see the expense deducted from the project's budget. For more information, check out our Help Center or reach out to our support team.